Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Canon printer error 1470 on the PIXMA G-series.
Fix 1. Restart the printer. Step 1. Turn off the printer. Step 2. Unplug the power cable from the wall. Step 3. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Plug it back in and turn the printer on. Fix 2. Reseat the ink tank. Step 1. Open the ink tank cover. Step 2. Remove all ink tanks carefully. Step 3. Reinsert each tank firmly in the correct slot. Step 4. Close the cover and check the adder. Fix 3. Check ink tank chips. Step 1. Remove the ink tanks again. Step 2. Clean the gold chip contacts with a soft, dry cloth. Step 3. Reinstall the ink tanks properly. Step 4. Restart the printer. Fix 4. Reset the printer. Step 1. Turn the printer off. Step 2. Hold the stop or cancel button. Step 3. While holding it, press the power button. Step 4. Release both buttons and wait for reset.